want to show you how easy it is to make your own nut butter. So you put it in any machine of your choice. It doesn't require any oil or sugar or salt. Think about like Skippy peanut butter. It's just like hydrogenated, corn syrup. If you don't want to do this, I recommend going to a store that has the machine where you, like Whole Foods, where you can just get the serving that you want. So basically, I am just going to put this for 2 minutes. It's all it takes. And we're going to have nut butter. So if you don't eat peanuts or peanut butter, what you can do in this recipe is substitute a different nut or seed butter. So you can use almond butter, cashew butter, pistachio butter, hemp seed butter. If you like the taste of peanut butter, but for example, like your kid's school doesn't allow peanut butter, what a lot of parents, I'm told, do is use sunflower seed butter, particularly roasted sunflower seed butter, because it tastes kind of similar to peanut butter. First, we're going to take our date paste, which I already made. I did show you how to make date paste, though, in the orange chocolate mousse torte. So now I'm going to add my peanut butter or any nut or seed butter you want. Okay, and then our cocoa powder, I'm using the $22 a pound cocoa powder for this one because I want it to do that way. And then I've got my non-dairy milk. What I'm going to do is first I'm going to process this. So this is the fondue. So this is super, super thick now. It's not even spreadable. Remember, with all recipes, you can always add ingredients. You can't take it out. So we're just going to start. This is 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. I'm going to start with a half a cup because I can always add to get the consistency I want. I want to scrape down the sides. Oh boy, doesn't this could be a frosting. This is so easy to make and it smells amazing. So this is the consistency I want. I didn't need the other half a cup. And you know why? Because my peanut butter was soft. When I use the commercial nut butters, it's so hard. I need the whole cup of milk to get it to process. So how would I serve this? Well, if you ever go to like the 99-cent store, or you could get them in a regular store, just be more expensive, they have skewers. And what you could do is take things like little pieces of mandarin oranges, banana, vegan marshmallows, and you can make like a platter. So just to give you an example of a way that I would maybe serve it, is I'll take my favorite apple, which is the Envy apple. You know, kids eat things that are cut up, and kids, and by the way, these desserts are kid tested and mother approved. So the only thing is sometimes these apples wiggle and wobble. Okay, so I've got my apple, and you know, if you don't like chocolate, you can use carob or just do the peanut butter and dates. It'd be amazing. Okay, so we've got our dip, right? And we'll put it on a plate. Remember, presentation is everything. And then just put your beautiful apple around. Look at that. You make an apple fan. So instead of feeding your family unhealthy sugary treats with dairy and all kinds of processed ingredients, you could serve them delicious chocolate fondue.